What GreenStalk accessory can you not live without?
Oh, which one? Oh, because I have so many. I would say it's the spinning wheel planter bases. Oh, it's fantastic to be able to use that base just to kind of move my gardens around my balcony to catch the sun or the shade. I mean, it's awesome. So if I want to sit like in one area, I can move my garden. It makes gardening super easy. Definitely the planter bases.
The spinner base.
I would have to say the watering. Like, yes, just hooking it up to the automatic watering because that was a game changer for sure.
Do you just have one going or do you connect them together?
So they could be connected together. I just redid like our whole garden, and so I'm going to have them all connected to the water.
The ultimate spinner base. 5 or 6 of my green stalks are in my main garden, which was lawn. It's now mulch. So I just use the spinner base with no wheels, and they're sitting on patio pavers, so I can spin them around for harvesting and showing them off. But since I don't need the wheels, I don't use the mover over there.
The spinner base is the one that I use every day, of course, and I like it with wheels. So that's the accessory. I guess the wheels are actually the accessory that I can't live without.
Hands down, the mover base is my favorite, especially living in a really hot location like San Antonio. We can often get way above triple digits, so I love the mover, the spinner base with the movers on it. That's what I meant. So I can move it easily if it gets too hot at a location.
The ultimate spinner. I have to have the ultimate spinner.
The spinner, because I love being able to not only harvest but tend and plant and everything, and just being able to spin it and be able to tend to my green stalk like that.
The rolling base. I like to move it around, so that makes it easy to use.